Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll actually be showing a series of audio samples of the Apple AirPods Max when you're in different situations. Alright, so it'll cover from a range like, just talking in Zoom, and then when you're outdoors, when you're outside, all kinds of situations. I think there's 4 to 5 different situations. You can actually judge the audio quality on your own. And decide whether would you want to use the built-in mic of the Apple AirPods Max as part of your communications, such as for like your video conferencing and etc. All right, so check out the video. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test on the AirPods Max. This is a mic test on the AirPods Max in ANC mode. This is a mic test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test on the AirPods Max in transparency mode. This is a mic test on the AirPods Max in transparency mode. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Max. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Max. I'm actually right now in a coffee shop. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Max. I'm actually in a coffee shop with ANC on. I'm actually testing the mic and the Apple AirPods Max with ANC on in a coffee shop. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the Apple AirPods Max mic test on the FaceTime. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is a mic test on the Apple AirPods Max via Zoom. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the mic test on the MacBook Air. This is a mic test on the MacBook Air. Alright, so there you have it. So this are the audio samples of the Apple AirPods Max. I hope it actually helps you to determine, whether would it be sufficient for your daily usage. Be it, just for phone calls, or it's actually for WhatsApp calls, or even for video conferencing. Some of you are just like me, working from home, whereby you have a lot of video conferencing calls to take. So I hope that this video has actually helped you to actually identify, whether would it be helpful for you. Alright, so that's all we have for today. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!